Hello students, how are you? Today in this class we learned some important concept of circle, that is tangent and normals. See here, we already know about the tangent for different curves. Suppose if you consider a curve, it is a curve. Suppose P is a point, Px1 comma y1 is a point on the curve. Suppose at this point there exists a line which touches the curve at this point, then it is called tangent of the circle, tangent of the conic. Suppose there exists one line which passes through the point P and perpendicular to the tangent, that line is called normal to the tangent, normal to this line. Okay, so for that at which point a line which is perpendicular to the given tangent is called normal. So tangent is a line which touches the curve, touches the conic at one point is called tangent, and its perpendicular through that point is called normal. So in this class we are going to learn all about the tangent and normals. So we already studied in a conic. For any conic, suppose for any a circle is even a conic. Suppose S is equal to 0, be a circle, then at point at Px1 comma y1, the equation of tangent at that point at P is S1 is equal to 0. So at Px1 comma y1, at particular point S1 is equal to 0. Suppose if you consider a circle equation, standard circle equation, x square plus y square is equal to r square. So what is its tangent equation? S1 is equal to 0. That is x1 plus y1 minus r square is equal to 0. It is the equation of tangent. So at particular point P. So at P x1 comma y1, the equation of the tangent is x1 plus y1 minus r square is equal to 0. Okay. So we already discussed about the equation of tangent at a particular point P x1 y1. Suppose on the curve at point a cos theta comma r cos theta comma r sin theta, r sin theta, the parametric equation, parametric point on the circle. Suppose P r cos theta comma r sin theta at this point, for the circle equation x square plus y square is equal to r square. What is the equation of the tangent in form of parametric point at the point? So what can you write this equation? Nothing, just we have to substitute, as the equation of the tangent is x1 plus y1 minus r square is equal to 0, just it is x1 and y1, just substitute in place of x1 and y1, you will get x1 means r cos theta plus y1 and r sin theta minus r square is equal to 0. R cancelled on both sides. What we get? X cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to r. It is the equation of tangent in parametric form. This is second form. So this is parametric form. Third form is slope form. Slope, in the form of slope. Suppose the circle is x1 plus, suppose the given circle is x square plus y square is equal to r square. So we can do this tangent, we can find the equation of the tangent in two different ways. One is by using geometrical condition, and other one is by the derivation of, getting the equation from this parametric equation. Suppose if you apply geometrical condition for the circle equation, suppose it is a circle, there are so many tangents exist, a particular tangent has slope m. So what is the equation of slope, equation of line having slope m? It can be, let us consider the equation of the line having slope m is y is equal to mx plus c. As it is a tangent to the standard circle, it is origin. As it is a tangent to the given circle, we can write r, it is r, that is equal to perpendicular distance. So the condition is r is equal to d. In that case, what happens? Here r is equal to, r means r only, is equal to d means perpendicular distance from origin to this line, that is modulus of c by root over 1 plus m square. So that we get, by squaring on both sides, r square into 1 plus m square is equal to c square. So c is equal to square root over r into 1 plus m square, that is plus or minus r into root over 1 plus m square. So this is the condition to become a tangent to the circle. If the line y is equal to mx plus c, to become a tangent to the given circle, you can apply c is, we can use the condition r square into 1 plus m square is equal to c square. Moreover, the equation of the tangent is, the equation of tangent is, what is the equation? The equation of the tangent is y is equal to mx plus or minus r into root over 1 plus m square. This is the equation of tangent having a slope. By applying the geometrical condition, you can get. See here, we are getting plus or minus, means there exist two parallel tangents. Suppose if you consider geometrically, if you observe, this is a circle. So this is a standard circle. For this standard circle, it is origin, this is the radius. Suppose in particular, what does it say? It is, there are so many tangents, so many lines having this slope m. This line has slope m, this line has slope, this line has slope m. All these lines are having slope m. For a particular two lines exist in this plane such that they are having the slope m and its intercept. So of all the two lines, one line is y is equal to mx plus r into root over 1 plus m square, and other line is y is equal to mx minus r into root over 1 plus m square. If you observe these two, this is with plus sign, this is with minus sign. So only c value changing. Slope is same. This is the slope m, this contains slope m. This line has slope m. But the difference is r, plus r and minus r. See, if you observe here, this is the positive y-axis. It intersects y-axis at a distance of r into root over 1 plus m square. That is positive intercept. While you observing this equation, this intersects y-axis at in the negative direction, so that it will be minus r into root over 1 plus m square is the y-intercept. So it varies in the intercepts only, but the slope of the two lines is equal. So there exists two parallel tangents for a circle. That is about the equation of tangent in the slope form having slope m. Next one is, suppose if it is the standard circle, these are all results for tangent results for standard circle only. So if you change the equation of the circle, automatically its a tangent equation also alters. So we say about those equations in later stage. So just now we can simply say, suppose for the particular circle equation x square plus y square is equal to r square. This is the standard circle. So its tangent equation is y is equal to mx plus or minus root over r into root over 1 plus m square. This is the equation of tangent. Suppose in case of circle x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. Its circle center is a comma b and radius is equal to r. So here the changing in tangent equation occurs because of x. What is the change between these two? The origin is shifted to the point a comma b. So the center is a comma b. So that whatever the changes occurring here, x plus is replaced by x is replaced by x minus a, y is replaced by y minus b. And the same changes occurs for this tangent equation also. Y minus b is equal to m into x minus a plus or minus r into root over 1 plus m square is the equation of tangent for this general equation. Understanding? So just whatever the changes occurs here, the same changes will be happening for this tangent equation at the point h plus. This means the point P also changes a plus r cos theta, comma at this point a plus r sin theta. This is the parameter point on this circle. So at this point the tangent equation will be y minus b is equal to m into x minus a plus or minus r into root over 1 plus m square. That is the difference. Okay. Next one is talking about tangent equation. Let's talk about normal equation. Normal, what is a normal? Already we discussed about the normal. So equation of the normal. Equation of normal. What about equation of normal? In case of circle, it is very easy to understand. So, except remaining conics, studying normal is very easy in case of circle when compared to the remaining conics. Suppose if there is a tangent to the circle, T1 is equal to 0. This is the tangent. This is the center of the circle. Suppose it is point of contact, the circle and tangent at P point. So what about the normal? The normal always perpendicular to the tangent and passes through the center of the circle. So that whenever point P x1 comma y1 is given, then immediately we can find out we can find the normal as it passing through the center. We can apply 2-point form. Suppose if it is h comma k is the center of the circle, directly we can use the center and P point to find out the normal equation. Otherwise, we can find out the slope of this tangent m by taking its reciprocal, that means minus 1 by m as it is perpendicular. Minus 1 by m is the slope of the normal, and using the slope and this point we can find out equation of the normal. Very simple. The equation of normal is normal to the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square if it is the circle equation. So at P x1 comma y1 point, the normal equation is here, the center is 0 comma 0. So taking the slope m is equal to y1 minus 0 by x1 minus 0. This is the equation of slope of the normal, that is y1 by x1 is the slope of the normal. So slope of the normal it is. So equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to m of, that is y1 by x1 into x minus x1. This is a equation of the normal. By simplifying you will get it. Okay. And what can be studied more than this with respect to the normal? What can you learn more about normal? normal of the circle. Suppose if you see equation of the normal means equation of the normal it's not working. Suppose there is a circle and px1 comma y1 is a point at which a tangent is drawn. Suppose a circle is given, L is equal to 0 is given, there is no P point, and S is equal to 0 be the circle. Circle equation is given. How can you find out the point of contact of the tangent at point tangent with the circle? Suppose P is the point of contact. We need to find out P. We need to find point of contact of the line and circle. How can you find out point of contact? Very easy. Suppose C is the center of the circle. Suppose C H comma K is the center. As it is perpendicular, then its foot will be the point of contact. Its foot will be point of contact. So directly we can use the point of foot of the perpendicular formula to find out the point of contact. That is, let us say this is some suppose if it is alpha comma beta be the point of contact. So how can you write? So alpha minus h by a means this line is equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So alpha minus h by a is equal to beta minus k by b is equal to minus of a alpha 1 ah plus bk plus bk plus c by a square plus b square. Using this formula you can find out alpha comma beta from this formula. Okay, so that is the way of finding a normal foot of the, that is point of contact of the tangent with the circle. Okay, example 1. So for the curve x square plus y square is equal to 34. Find equation of tangent at point P. Let us say the point is 3 comma 5. Okay, enough, it satisfies the curve at P 3 comma 5. So what can you say? The equation of the tangent is formula xx1 plus yy1 minus 34 minus r square is equal to 0. So that is xx1 means what? X into 3 plus y1 is 5 minus r square minus 34 is equal to 0. That is 3x plus 3x plus 5y minus 34 is equal to 0. Equation of the tangent at the point P. At the point, so this is the first case. For the first case it is a suited example. Suppose at point theta is equal to pi by 6. What is the parametric equation? What is the theta is equal to pi by 6 means what? Suppose the circle is at the point P, the point making an angle pi by 6 with the positive direction of x-axis. Suppose it is point pi by 6 is given means r cos pi by 6 comma r sin pi by 6. This is the point, the regarding point. Okay, at this point what is the equation of the tangent? How can you write? Same process. x1 means r cos theta means pi by 6 plus y1 means r sin pi by 6 minus 34 is equal to 0. So what is r? So r already here root 34. Here r is equal to what? root 34. So here x into root 34, if you write root 34 r and this root 34, this r, suppose if it is r square goes r times. So what happens, x cos pi by 6 root 3 by 2 plus y sin pi by 6 into 1 by 2 is equal to r. R means root 34. So by simplifying you will get root 3x plus sin it is 1 by 2y. So that is y is equal to 2 into root 34 is the required tangent equation at that point. Okay. What is left here, having slope. If the slope is 6, find the equation of the tangent for this given circle. What about the slope equation? Y is equal to mx plus or minus root over r into root over, so that is r into root over 1 plus m square. That is equal to y is equal to m means 6 into x plus or minus r means root 34 into root over 1 plus m square. M square means 6 square, that is 36. So it is 6x, this comes to the form of 6x minus y, 6x minus y plus or minus root 34 into root of 1 plus 37, root of 1 plus 37. So this is the equation of tangent is equal to 0, 6x goes to minus 1. So it is equation of the tangent. Okay. Suppose what is the equation of the tangent for the circle? Equation of, suppose example 4. Find equation of tangent for the circle x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 7 whole square is equal to 8. At the point having a slope 3 or root 3. So root 3 is the slope. What is the equation of the tangent for this curve? So which means already we discussed. What about the equation of the tangent for the standard circle? Y is equal to mx plus or minus root over r into root over 1 plus m square. It is the equation of the standard circle. Equation of tangent for standard circle. For this curve, what are the changes? We already discussed. Y minus k is equal to m of x minus h plus or minus r into root over 1 plus m square. For the given circle h comma k, that is center h comma k is equal to 2 7. So substitute here y minus 7 is equal to m means root 3 into x minus h means 2 plus or minus r is equal to root 8 into root over 1 plus m square means 8 square. M is root 3 whole square, that is 3 r into, okay. That is y minus 7 is equal to m root 3x minus 2 root 3 plus or minus 2 root 2 into root 2, that is 2 is equal to 4. So this is the equation of tangent for this given general circle. Okay, that is the main difference. What can you learn more? See here, next one is equation of the chord in the parametric form. Suppose this is theta 1 and this is theta 2. Means the points making this point is r cos theta 1 comma r sin theta 1. Theta 2 means theta 2. r cos theta 2, r sin theta 2. This point is r cos theta 1 comma r sin theta 1. This is the parametric point. Suppose if you have these 2 points, so how can you find out the equation of the tangent chord passing through these 2 points? Just a simple, very simple, that is the 2-point form. Directly we can apply 2-point form and simply we can find out equation of the chord. So by simplifying, by applying a 2-point form, you can easily get, that is x cos theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 plus y sin theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 is equal to r of cos theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2 is the equation of chord for this the equation of the chord of having the parameter theta 1 theta 2. Understand? By applying a 2-point form, so y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is the slope, and y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. We can use the formula, we can simply get this equation. Suppose if the chord, if a tangent is drawn at this point and the tangent is drawn at this point, these 2 tangents are meeting at point P. Suppose these 2 tangents intersecting at point P, you can find out, we have to find out the point of intersection of 2 tangents drawn at the end points of the chord. Is very important to find out this point. So how can you find out this point? Here very simple, this is the equation of the tangent at this point at A. You can apply S1 is equal to 0 for this equation. This is also S1 is equal to 0 at this point, at particular point B. In point of B, you can write its a tangent equation. In point of A, its a tangent equation can be found. So by solving these 2 equations, you will get the point of intersection. Understanding? And also one more simplest way is there, that is suppose let it be h comma k, the whatever the point we are finding, we are going to find, let it be h comma k. Suppose if it is h comma k, then you can find out simply s1 is equal to 0 is the equation of chord of contact. So you have already this equation, chord of contact. By comparing this equation and whatever the equation we are getting through the point h comma k, by comparing these 2 equations, you can simply find out h comma k. Understanding? Means what is happening here? We have to find out the polar or chord of contact of the circle with respect to P. That is S1 is equal to 0. We already discussed about that. And also already chord equation is given. Both are same. So that what happens? Just by comparing these 2 equations you will get. So you can find out that point of contact, a point of intersection of the tangents, E is r cos theta 1 plus theta 2, theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 by cos theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2, comma r sin theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 by cos theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2. It is the point P. Understanding? This is the point of intersection of tangents drawn at point A and B. It is very important to remembrance. R cos theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2, cos sin theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2. Both the terms containing, both the coordinates containing R, and cos theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2, denominator is same. Simply you can remember by taking this term to RHS. For the remembering, we can simply assume that x, taking this r cos theta by 2 this side, what happens? X cos theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 by r cos theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2. R goes to this side, but cos theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 come to this side. So just we write cos theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 plus y into sin theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 by cos theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2. By dividing both sides by, it will get. Further remembrance, just we have to add r. So further remembrance I am saying this, but actually we have to solve both the equations. Understanding? Just cos theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 by r cos theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2 sin theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 by cos theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2. That is the point of intersection of the tangents drawn at the end points of the curves. That is very important.